Hi, it's Annie, your online instructor. I'm sorry about learning Module 2. There was just no way of getting around that heavy of learning module. But in all the next ones will be much, much easier, or I will give you more time. Speaking of which, learning Module 3 actually takes place over 2 weeks, and so I have it divided when work is due. And so for the first week, we have a discussion, 2 movies, and a quiz. And for the second week, we have another discussion, 2 movies, and a worksheet. And if you look at the weekly schedule, it will give you the due dates. And I'm giving you 2 weeks because of the 4 movies you need to watch. So if you have any questions, just contact me. I'll let you know the next time I'm online. Have a good day, Annie.